Chunnu has a little seed, tiny seed, tiny seed. Munnu says let's plant it deep, right beneath the ground. Dig a hole and drop it in. Pat the soil, water it with gentle hands, smiling all around. Sunlight shines and rain comes too, rain comes too, rain comes too. Every day the green sprout grew, poking through the ground. Now the tree is growing tall, strong and big and straight and all. Birds will come and squirrels too, all because they care. Plant a tree just like we, Chunnu and Munnu happily. Green the earth and shade the land, let's all lend a hand.